Namaskaram everyone. Welcome to Rishikesh Nath Yogshala's YouTube channel. I am Raghav. Today I'll be telling you few yogic remedies and asanas for the correction of diabetes. Let's first understand what diabetes is. So there is a gland in our body, it's called pancreas, and it secretes a hormone called insulin. When pancreas doesn't work properly and starts secreting more than enough insulin or secretes less insulin, then the blood sugar levels get imbalanced and thus a person suffers from diabetes. Now we are going to demonstrate you few asanas that you can practice on a daily basis for the correction. So first asana that we are going to practice is called Vakrasana or spinal twist. For practicing this asana, you be in a seated position which is called a staff position with your legs forward. For doing the asana, first step is you bend your right knee and support your back by twisting back and putting your right palm behind your buttocks. After this, you grab your right knee with your left palm, inhale, and while exhaling, you twist back. Hold the posture here for few minutes. After few minutes, you can release and do the posture from the other side. Release. If you are an advanced practitioner, you can, instead of grabbing your knee with your palm, you can lock your elbow against the knee and twist your body more. Release. So the next posture that we are going to practice is called Ardha Matsyendrasana. It is an advanced variation of the spinal twist. For this posture, you sit in a staff pose as the demonstrator is sitting right now. After that, you bend your right leg and then bend your left leg and bring it across the right knee. Then you lift up your right arm and twist towards your left, inhaling and exhaling. Hold the posture here for few minutes. Release it and then do it from the other side. Release. Slowly and gently come back to staff position and relax. Both of the postures that were just demonstrated are focused on your abdominal twisting where your pancreas is. So by abdominal twisting, you are activating the pancreas and it helps in production of insulin. which in return helps in balancing the blood sugar levels. That's all for today. Namaskaram. We'll see you again next time.